In this lesson, I will explain to you how you can calculate the running total or accumulated total in Microsoft Excel. So see here, I have made a very simple table. In B column, we have days. In C column, we have sales. On Monday, we have 10K sales. Tuesday, we have 20K sales. And on D column, we want to calculate the running total. So again, the formula in Microsoft Excel starts with equal to sign. First of all, we want to calculate the Monday sale, which is 10K. Just give the cell reference here and press enter. So we have 10K. Now we want to see, or we want to add the sales of Monday and Tuesday, which is 30. You can see here, but how we can use in Microsoft Excel equal to, this time you have to select reference D3, not C3, D3, because this is the running total of Monday. And then you have to use the plus sign and then Tuesday sales, press enter. See here 10 and 20, which is equal to 30. Now you have to select Tuesday sales, which is 30, means Monday and Tuesday, and drag it down. So the output is 250 is the running total, means in during the week we had 250K sales. If you want to verify or check, so you have to select this column and go to the auto sum. See here is 250K. So it means our output or running total is absolutely correct. Now I will show you one more method to calculate the running total, because in Microsoft Excel you can perform 2 or 3 different ways. So here again equal to, here I am using the sum formula, write down sum, and then here is Monday sale. After this, right, because we have only Monday, that is why you have to use 2 times the same cell reference, and between this you have to use colon. As Monday will remains the fix, that is why you have to press F4 on your keyboard. Now this is fixed and enter. So it is 10. Now you can drag down and see the same output is there, that from Monday to Sunday we have 250K. So if you like, you can use this formula. If you like, you can use this formula. The output is same. So please practice it. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.